as many of the our group members have weaved the story around construction. So we were as you all really was told the theme of construction department.
Also mentioned that there was a construction of
Yes, we can clearly see that there.
Yes, I would like to put the idea of Chester at 31 and 41, like they have made the story about like making the boundary around the sports ground, so we can make the story like the principal of the school noticed that the students were playing in the ground and they were intervened by the cattle who were roaming in around the field.
Instead of that, I think we have full playground already have a boundary, so we should go with the thing that they are planning to inaugurate a indoor games for this.
Yes, we can also go with that. They are developing a sports kind of facility, something about the.
So yes, we can add both the ideas like the sports complex was developed to ensure that the students remain fit in the government school. So now we should focus on
indoor badminton, etc., and also maintaining constructing a sport. So let's take our hero as a sports head of the school. So he will examine all the necessary items and he will do the responsibility.
Like he had the
First of all, he discussed with the
authorities and presented a plan to them. And then the plan was given to the concerned government authority and the fund was allocated to them.
After that, he also requested Sarpanch to call some Narega worker as it was already connected to the village infrastructure development. So he can also
Adding the point to just number 41, we can also mention that we can also add one point that some sports event were to organize in the school. So we had to fasten the construction of the work as the sports event had to be held in the school. So we told the construction or the contractor to fasten the process.
Arjun as a headman of school, he seen that the students are deprived from the sports, so he decided to make a plan of construction.
Then when we about it, we discussed that the plan was made and the funds was allocated. Now land more and more activities. Like why sports items were bought for the development of the school, like the badminton court was developed, basketball.
I am at the starting point.
Like we can add that table tennis, chess.
We can also add a point to just number 4 that developing basketball and badminton court. We can also add that he suggested some modern techniques as the synthetic court for badminton is also.
Also we can add that the environmental and sustainable development was done, like the solar panels for the electricity purpose. The solar panel was included.
We can also add that water harvesting is also added.
We can also point there is a
Make it also construction by using of ACC blocks, etc., so that the building will be cold.
Yes, we must add that point that he suggested that rather than using the red clay bricks, we must use ACC blocks. That is more faster way to develop and more cheaper.
From this, the things will be also do not needed during the summer time.
So we must
Starting from the picture itself, we can see that the construction was going on, and most of us has made the story.
And we made the story around the construction of house. Let's everyone agree.
So we can go to the construction of community hall.
As we can add actions how the construction.
So friends, as most of us are see that there is a construction work in the picture, and most of us make a story related to construction. So let's take this our main theme and let's discuss that why they
Yes,
are.
I agree with chest number 9. We can add actions to the story that how was the construction.
Yeah. So from my opinion,
Hero name is Rahul and he is a civil engineer and recently got an assignment to construct a new house.
Instead of
So friends, from my opinion,
As he has mentioned that he is a civil engineer and he got a opportunity to build a house. I think for building a house, a single house, there is no any need to
So
appoint
instead of house, we can create a community hall for the village.
so friends, from my opinion, we can see that there is only a single wall in the picture. So we can make that the wall is broken due to the heavy rainfall, due to the break of tree. So we can make
necessary to make a wall.
no wall. It's broken. It's broken due to. it's broken due to heavy rainfall. So we can reconstruct that.
So to look at story more attractive rather than making a wall, we can go with the.
So friends, as most of us agree with the making of house, so let's discuss that how they make the wall.
So let's add some action that firstly he made a blue plan and get estimate the budget and approved by the other party.
Firstly, she finalized the place, then estimate the budget, and then blueprint.
Okay, he finalized the then
So
after
that thing should be
Going
done
to
by
the
the
map
engineer to
also.
finalize to create the blueprint, but he has to approve it from the owner of the
owner of the house.
House.
So that
And also visit to astrologer for the Vastu Shastra because
They should
most
also
of us-
approved by JDA Construction so that later there will not be any problem related to construction.
electricity and
Yeah, just
Yes, he got the electricity and water connection for the house.
then
After
after
getting approval from
Adding
the
information,
JDA
you should
and
start
they
from
went
the
to
owner
market
itself.
and ensuring the quality products, they purchase the
Quality
cement
raw
bags.
materials
also
like
they should
bricks.
think about
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
instead of
yeah.
then after he hired some construction worker laborers and also went to market to buy essential equipment.
Also, he
things
ensures
like
during
Rodi,
the
Bajri,
during the
cement
hire of
and
construction
That the
worker, he
construction
ensures
was
there
of-
is not any child labor there, child
One
labor
more
there.
action.
That the construction was meant.
not necessary.
So friends, as we see that there is a child, so excluding the child labor, we can say that in our normal life, when there is lack of labor, then the children of the house, they help the labor. So we can add this. Their parents and their labors.
Yeah, gentlemen, I have a very good point, but rather than adding child labor, we should be focusing on our main concept.
No, we are not including the child labor. We can say that childs are the children of that house. They are helping the
Our main
labors.
story is to build a house, not to focus on the child labor and not indulging the
Yes,
children.
I agree with number 21 that we should add more action to our story.
I'm just saying that he while hiring the labor, he ensures that there is no child
Yeah,
labor.
that's a good point. We can
And
add
also
that.
ensure the safety of the labor and provide
Yes.
the proper requirement like refreshment, tea on the time, and also pay the money on the time for the labor for the motivation.
Yeah, the daily wages.
Yeah,
That is a very good idea.
Also,
And he also
keeps checking the work
keep
of
on
the
eye to
that-
construction so
that
the
lead to
construction
quality
will complete on the
work.
time.
Now
I
we
agree.
should ensure that there is
Yes.
proper ventilation when they are building the house. They should
Okay,
be
last
as the village-
1 minute.
as the village usually
So we,
faces the storms
discuss on
during
so
the
many
summer
actions
time,
to
so
conclude
there
this story,
must be
like-
a proper ventilation.
Apart from proper ventilation, we can also go to water harvesting and
We should build our story. We should add the
So firstly we
character.
have to conclude our story, then we will discuss it.
We have only
So
1 minute.
in conclusion, they all are they all with a combined effort, they all are build house successfully and they
The
all are
time of
happy.
60 days we can set that.
Okay, we estimate the time like
Like around
no,
2-3 months.
3
Yes,
to 4
within
months.
2
Yeah, 3 to 4 months is the basic to
Yes.
construct a house.
Construction.
so
And we can say that the owner gifted the
I
house
think
to their
now we should
parents in
conclude
order
our
to make them
study.
feel happy. As he himself is a civil engineer, so he does not need any help from other people. He will himself design the print of the house.
yes, you can
As
you can
in
add
the
that
map.
I think we should just go through our story. There is a character named Rakesh. He's also a civil engineer.
get an
So
assignment.
he got an
Make a
assignment.
map out of
So
He
finally-
made the
so
blueprint
finally-
of the house, hired the construction workers, made
And
also
estimate
estimate
the budget and finalize with the owner.
And get all the
and
raw
get
materials
chest number
together.
37 is the point about the Vastu Shastra.
Vastu
And
Shastra.
chest number 9 is the point
Consider
about the
Vastu
child labor to make sure that no child was indulged.
Yes, and then after he.
Yes.
Okay,
we can
okay,
add
more
to the other
more conclude.
So I think chest number 21. We can put also.
Yes, sir, we are right.
Okay, just. Uधर ही face that side. I'll come that side. हाँ,
So good morning everyone. As we have discussed and our story goes like this. A character named Rakesh, who is a civil engineer, got the assignment to build a house. He first created the blueprint and also finalized the cost of the house. He also hired the construction workers and ensured that no child was indulged in the construction. And he also through the astrologers he ensured about the Vastu Shastra and about also the ventilation of the house. He then through the help of the construction workers explained them that how the project would be done and also made sure that everything was available on time and the construction was done very safely. He within the time period of 2 to 3 months, he was able to build the house, and also thank the owners that they paid the wages on time and also the refreshments to the workers on time. He also appreciated the workers for their efforts. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Shastra also, there is no point of Vastu Shastra. What you should do, you should always go for the community, like what all community examples are there?
They can build a community
Okay.
hall.
Sir, a public park.
Okay, public park, what else?
Community hall.
Community hall, what else? और क्या हो सकता है? Government hospital or? Now, what is happening? If you have noticed in your village or in the cities, whenever any government school is there, have you noticed? ये 2 कमरे इसने बनाए, 2 कमरे इसने बनाए. Did you notice? Why can't you take the example of that? Then, other than any sports facility which is being created, that you can take.
Indoor sports
Eh,
complex.
Indoor sports. Now, construction of a house or any construction, does it take a shorter time?
No, sir.
So you can go for temporary construction also. There is nothing. Short construction also you can go. What happened? Like taken any example. Some sports facilities not there. Can't you construct a ground? Can't you construct any other community center where help can be given? What happened during the pandemic? लोगों का रिसेशन हुआ था, लोगों का जॉब गया था. So what was done? How can you give employment to them? If you are well off, can you give employment? Can you help others in construction? दूसरा, any other thing, any help can be given. So what you should do when you discuss or when you make a plan, please make a plan like that where it goes for a community service. इंडिविजुअल हाउसेज में क्या, हाउ डज इट मैटर? तुम घर खुद का घर बना रहे हो, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है उसका? व्हाट योर क्वालिटी इज कमिंग आउट? तुम तो खुद क्या क्वालिटी आ रही है इसमें? खुद का घर बन रहा है तो खुद बनाना ही बनाना. इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ऑफरिंग टी एटसेट्रा, दैट इज वो ठीक है, तुमने ह्यूमन काइंड है कि हमने उसको चाय बना के दे दी, उसको खाना बना के दे. कौन नहीं देता हो? तो कारीगर खुद मांगता है कि मैं खाना भी होगा, मेरी चाय भी होगी, बोलता नहीं है. So what is separate in that? So what you should do whenever you make, then secondly, when you are narrating, I'll repeat again. When you narrate your story, individual stories, please look left and right. There are certain people who are not looking left and right. I think you are conscious कि मेरा कुछ हो रहा है सामने. You should not worry about that. Always look left and right during the discussion also, or when a person is narrating, you should look at him. उसकी तरफ देखो क्या हो रहा है. Show your interest. And if you can note, थोड़ा बहुत note कर सकते हो, करके कर दो. Otherwise what happens? Somebody is sitting, वो यहाँ पर ये बोल रहा है, तीसरे नंबर मेरा नंबर आने वाला शुरू हो जाएगा. What is the, उसमें क्या होता है? That shows your tension. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Understood? Any questions? Anyone any questions? Okay.